Right, hello everyone. Right, going to see if this kicks into life. We've got some fluids in it. Check the oil again, just to make sure. Lovely jubbly. I haven't got any power steering fluid at the moment, so I've took the belt off the power steering one. And I'm running I haven't got any fuel in the tank, so I'm just running it off a thing and running it off this electric pump, which should work just fine. So hopefully, if all goes well, we should have some life. Right, let's see what it does. See if I've got the timing the right way around. Well, not a lot happening there. Yeah, we're getting square. Oh, nearly. I think the timing must be a bit out. Fuel pumping rather quickly. Right, which way are we going to go with the timing? Let's go clockwise for now. See what that does. Not pump any more fuel in because I don't think it needs it. I've got quite a bad exhaust leak. A bit more anti-clockwise because that seemed to work. Sorry, clockwise. Behind. Live. Yeah, definitely squirting.
Oh, something dripping out the bottom of the...
Aye.
Something dripping on the floor.
Oh dear, what's that? Okie dokie. That looks like oil. Why is that oil? Right, we'll find out the problems and we'll be back. Right, next day. I found out what the problem was. Without realising, I'd rolled the rocker cover gasket away when I put the bolts in. Didn't notice, so oil was puking out. There you go. Right, try again. And I think I had the plugs wrong, because I'm sure the firing order on these is just straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll see. Here we go. Yeah, something ain't happy. I don't know what, but where are we on timing? Let's go. Let's come this way a bit. Let's see if that helps. Everything's in the way of this. Bloody stupid place to put it. Should be full by now. That'll be timing then. Let's come a bit more forward. I don't know whether that can't be 188. Well, if I say that, it bloody could be. These bloody things are in the way. Right, let's try that cover anyway off further forward there. Yeah, okay, mate. Yeah, I'll get the thing together and I'll see you. Alright. Well, gotta go. Help a major in distress. Let's try this one more time. Before we bagger off. Should have thought we pulled the choke off. That's an idea, Nigel. Pull the choke off. Try the choke, Nigel. have to do for now. I've got to go and help a man in distress. Cheers for now. At least it works.